Dude, we just pulled in to this place and look, mushroom, 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 mushroom. They're everywhere. Oh my God, they're everywhere. Everywhere, look. Oh yeah.
Hi guys, my name is Missy, and I am a full-time thrifter, picker, or better yet, treasure hunter. I love finding things that catch my eye and bringing them back to life. You can find me picking garage sales, thrift shops, flea markets, auctions, dumpsters, and yes, even curbs. So come join me on this adventure. Let's do some picking. Hey guys, Missy with Junk to be Loved. I am back with another nature video for you guys today. Me and Luke decided to take another road trip down to Missouri and go in the woods and try to find some mushrooms. And we'll see what treasures we can find this time too. So let's get going.
This is a random little pond. Tiny. Wonder how deep it is. Okay, you guys, now I'm freaking out. I'm really kind of scared because I'm like, Luke, what is that? This thing is huge, you guys. It just floated up, but it's a snake. Oh my God. I'm so scared now. There's tons of leaves. You don't know what's under these. I'm freaking out. This is not the right kind of forest we need to be in. We are out of here. Look, we just found a turtle in the middle of the road. Hi.
It is a painted turtle.
Hi. You want to take him with us? Let's take him with us. Hi, buddy. Hi.
It's a big one. Don't put your finger up there.
Hi.
You know, it closes the shell. That's crazy. I didn't know they could do that. Did you know they could do that? It's like got a little hinge there.
Cute. This is so cool. Oh, that's beautiful over there. Dude, we just pulled in to this place and look, mushroom, 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 mushroom. They're everywhere. Oh my God, they're everywhere. Everywhere, look. Oh yeah. Not the right ones. Toadstools. That was so cool. There was just like so many right when we just pulled to the spot. It's creepy. Wonder what all creatures live in there. Ew, there's a wasp flying by here. I'm out of here. I found one. Right there, baby.
Old. Finding oldies. Looks like you're off to the right here. That's what we're gonna do. Ooh, got this good fishing here, though.
Yeah, the water's like right here. Enter at your own risk. Okay. We gotta get past it. So. Again, not the one we want. There's some more. There's another one and another one. Woohoo! We didn't get skunked. Let's go find some more. It's a deer antler.
waterfall. Hold this.
Look at that island out there.
Yep.
They got fishing pole holders. This side's grody.
I might just go buy a fishing pole. They were pretty cheap at that store, actually. Ants on it.
I should have brought the magnet fishing thing here. I don't know. This is like, whoa, trash. There's like trash everywhere in here, like a bunch of old stuff. Weird. See, in the water. Oh, that's trash. That tells you how old this stuff is. That is so cool. I want to go exploring tomorrow in there so bad. There's a lot of old shit in there. Lots. I have no idea what that is.
so crazy. I'm really not for sure how all this crap got down here. Look how thick that is. What? Hold on, I'll be right there. I can't see it from there. Can you come down to me? That's a cool rock. Ooh. You just threw it at me. We got some cool rocks here. This place is so cool that we found. Ooh, this one's very pretty. We're a long ways from the Durango, so I'm not gonna carry any rocks back with me. They're too dang heavy, and I didn't bring my bag. Because we were just gonna go walk on a trail. Well, then we found this place. Look, you can just walk right down to the water. Look at this cute little cabin we got. Oh my goodness. It's adorable. It's got its own little front patio. This is freaking adorable. It's got its own back patio. And we can go out there and play putt-putt golf. I don't post any of them until tomorrow. It's going on my channel, baby. It's our cabin. And we're getting ready to play some putt-putt golf. But I think we're gonna check out the pool table first. It's in this building down here. This is the coolest thing. I can't wait to show you guys tomorrow during the day. Wish we would have stayed here both nights. We might actually come back down here soon because it's so cool. Like, I wish you guys could see these. There's tiny, we got this big cabin right here, but there's all these tiny little ones that are connected. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to show you during the day. Let's go check out the pool place first. This is awesome. I love Mrs. Pac-Man. And it's got a pool table. She said we can play some pool. Is that locked? It must be locked. But the pool's out there. I would love to bring the kids back here. This is so cool and vintage. I freaking love this place. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I love it. I want him.
Oh man, this is a boat game. I know this one. This one's fun. Boat racing.
Calypso. Rescue 911.
Darts.
Yeah. This place is so awesome and vintage. It's just like vintage. Look, this machine, this claw machine is so vintage. And so is the Miss Pac-Man. I just love him.
Ah, right in the wedge. Missy going golfing.
Oh.
You hit my ball. There you go. Still going. Gotta clear the cow. Oh, right.
Almost stuck right in the hole.
Look, almost looks like it pooped it. Oh, how do I get that out?
I don't know. There you go. That's how you get it out. They even have horseshoes here. This is awesome.
Oh.
Whoops. Place is so cute. See, this is where they keep the little golf clubs and golf balls. And look, they have a call box. So if you want to call them, oh my goodness. This place is adorable. It's so cute. These are just so adorable. Little family cabins. I love this place. This is so cute. They got a swing. You know I'm gonna go swing. Again.
Swinging.
This is awesome. I am so relaxed right now. I needed this. I think you're probably supposed to swing the other way though, so your feet don't hit this log.
Probably.
Hi guys.
Social distancing at its best.
That's right.
That's so inside anyway.
Awesome. That swing is so big. And look, a lover's swing. What are these, just like little grills?
Mm-hmm. Flat grills. If you're roasting like a hog or a rack of ribs.
They have a bunch of them.
You
This
just
is
grab,
awesome.
You just grab coals out of the fire pit and throw it in there. And then you throw your rib rack or your pork on it.
Look. Oh my goodness. It's a little outhouse, you guys.
And a PlayStation.
That is so cute.
A nice little prep table.
Yeah, this place is awesome. I think we are going to bring the kids back for sure. Look, they have a tennis court. Look, they have a tennis court. They have a ping pong table. They have foosball down there. foosball, ping pong table. Yeah, we're definitely gonna bring the kids back here. Oh, they have this game, Luke. I can't remember what it's called. Awesomeness. This thing is so cute. Oh my goodness. I love this place. Good morning. Not for sure why my phone didn't charge last night because it was plugged in all night long. It just said it was about dead, but to charge it in the car. I wanted to show you guys this during the daylight. This is the patio. This is the little cabin room we stayed in. And this is a patio. And it goes outdoor. Look. There's a bunch of cute little cabins down there. We got this big wood one with our own patio. There's the mini golf course. This is just adorable. All right, let's go see the rest. Okay, so now I am standing in front of the cabin that we stayed in. See that? I will show you. And let me turn you around so I can show you the rest. Okay, guys, this is the cabin we stayed in. How cute is this? Look at this. And right up here is the mini golf course, the putt-putt golf course. See, and it goes up there. And then there's horseshoes. See, look at all the mini golf course. And then there's horseshoes. And it's so cute when you first walk in. Here's the sign. I recommend if you guys come down to Southern Missouri, come stay at this place because it is adorable. There's the sign. And then you pull down the driveway, see the flags? It just is so welcoming. And they have that cabin right there. And then the one we stayed in. And look, here's the little office that I showed you guys last night. In this room is the pool hall where the arcade was and stuff. And then see, they got all these little family cabins down there. It's so cute. And then they have like all these patio tables and chair sets and a swing. I mean, this place is so awesome, you guys. And that outhouse. And then here's the pool with the slide. Look, isn't this adorable? It's not full yet, obviously, because of the virus and stuff, but then they got a tennis court, playground stuff. There's ping pong, shuffleboard, all kinds of stuff. This place is awesome. So if you ever get to Southern Missouri, come visit. Here's that thing I was showing you guys last night. Look how cute that is. It's adorable. This place is awesome. Oh, we just found another one. And he's littler and different.
He's all shut in the shell.
Look how they shut in their shells. Let's go find him a new home. We were gonna see about those tiny little cabins over there. Can you guys see them in the woods? They're little wooden log cabins. We did see about those last night, but they didn't have any running water and I had to take a shower, so that was not an option. Otherwise, those were really cute too. He's just going for a car ride. We're gonna find a nice new creek and give him a nice new home, because look, he got in a fight with something and it hurt his shell, and I feel very bad for him. He's cute. Oh, he poked his head out. We're gonna find him a nice creek, a new home.
Doesn't look like a small shelter. It's like a painted.
Hi, little guy. Oh, he's making noises. Hi. Come over here. He's trying to go up there. So we were just driving and Luke was driving slow. Yep, and then he just found some mushrooms, guys. I don't know if you could see them. Let me try to zoom in here. Right there. And right there. And then he said there's a big one somewhere. Oh, I see it. Back there, can you see it? This is awesome. That is so cool. So we were just driving and I found another one. Just driving. There it is, driving down the road. Awesome. Oh.
It's not very bad.
Just driving and Luke found another one. I don't know how he's seen it. Oh, damn, he has good eyes. I see it now, but I wouldn't have been able to see that probably from road. Good job, Luke. And my turtle's still just chilling with me. I decided to name him Hank. I feel really bad, guys, because look, he's got something like attacked him. And he loves me. See, we found a nice, awesome place for him to live, a new place for Hank to live. I named him Hank. Look at this. This is beautiful. Hold on, Hanky. Okay, here's the release of Hank. He's like, I'm ready for some water.
Oh, buddy.
This is a beautiful place for him to live, a new place. Bye-bye, Hank. Bye-bye, Hank. He's just chilling. I think he likes it. It's really pretty here. See, and it goes around. Look how clear this water is. I think we found him a good place. It's like crystal clear. You can see to the bottom.
Fuck that. Bridge.
It's nice. That is so weird. Look at that. Look at that tree. It's stuck. It's weird. Simple solution to crossing a creek when you don't want to get your feet wet or keep your shoes wet. Oh, Burr, it's cold. Just take your shoes off and walk through it. It's cold. I should have crossed over there, because then I would have been able to put my shoes on. Now where am I going to put my shoes on?
On the rock.
I guess. Ooh, my feet are sinking. There we go.
Don't drop your phone.
Look at all these toadstools. Oh my goodness. And it just keeps going and going and going and going and going. This is crazy. Too bad these weren't Morels. And then there's these ones. We want to start up here or walk down the thing? I think we should walk down the road.
It's all pretty quick.
I'm almost done, guys. Luke just found this black snake.
See your little head in there? Big old buddy.
Can we go somewhere else?
About stepped right on him.
Oh my God.
He's just bathing in the sun.
OMG.
Stepped right on him.
This looks like shit that crocodiles would live in, dude. We're walking through it. Crocodiles don't live in Missouri. I'm just exaggerating, but I'm just saying. Walking down this flooded road. And it looks way more flooded up here. Glad we didn't bring the Durango down here. But we could have parked it right here. Thought I seen something.
I don't know. One has to get it to get over there.
I don't want to drive the Durango through this.
Why?
No. I don't want to do that, honey. Snake did, you guys. Look at it.
Sunbathing.
It like crawled up into the tree. Can you see it? It's not down on the ground no more. It's in the tree. Oh my God, I'm so freaked out. They've got so many cute little streams and creeks here, and the water is like so clear. It is awesome. Okay, guys, we made it home from a weekend of fun. This is all we found down in Missouri. It's probably about a pound or so, but not too bad. And we had a lot of fun. We seen a lot of nature stuff and everything. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like these kind of videos, stay tuned for more. We'll be going magnet fishing and more mushroom hunting. So stay tuned. Please remember to also like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep smiling and happy picking.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep smiling and happy picking.